Hey friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In our channel, we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets that will level up your entertainment experience. So today I have something truly amazing to share with you. It is the Edson 1x4 HDMI splitter. Alright, let us now dive deep into it and open the box and see what is there in it. So this is a box. On top it is mentioned as high definition multimedia interface and it is by the company Edson. So bottom it is written as fighting for the dream, and we can also see it's a made in China product, so it's already mentioned here. So let us open the box, and once we open the box we can see the HDMI splitter. So this is a splitter. We'll keep the splitter aside and let us continue forward to see what is there in the box. Okay, we have a USB B type cable for connecting the power to it, and it says micro 5 watts, so this will go with it, and you'll also have an adapter. So inside we have a user manual. In this user manual they have mentioned how much splitters are there, like 1:2, 1:4, 1:8 and 1:16. Below it we have some technical features of it, technical details, and once we open it, so here are a few more details. If you want, you can pause the video and see. Behind it there is a diagram of how to connect the splitter. So let me put back everything and just show you the closer view of the splitter. So this is a splitter itself, and the build quality is very top notch, and it's a premium quality also, and it is made out of steel. Like most of the other companies or most of the other brands has that in the plastic, and this company especially is done out of a steel. So this is very good. If you look closer to it, it has one HDMI input, and on the indicators for HDMI connection, which HDMI is connected where, so you can take a reference from the lights itself, and it has a power light and a USB port. On side it has a ventilation on both sides for the air to flow in and out. On the back of it is a place where you connect 4 HDMI output for 4 different screens. So I will show you a demo like how we connect 2 different screens as of now. Then if time permits, we will show how to connect 4 screens. So now let us see the connection method for the HDMI splitter. So here we have connected 2 computers using this splitter. Like it is a 2 bidirectional splitter where one port is connected to one computer and the second port is connected to the other computer. So through this we will have to take one HDMI out and connect it to 2 different TVs. So that is why we insisted on getting this splitter. So I have already connected a cable with a power adapter to USB B. It is an old adapter, so I'll just connect it to it. So once I connect it, you will have a power notification. As I told you, we have connected 2 systems here, and you can see the system 1 is being powered on. The display is coming here. So now I'll take one output from the bidirectional splitter and connect it to the Edson splitter. So I'll be connecting it to the input port. So once I connect here, you will have a notification here. So for example, if I connect it here, you will have a power indication here. So now let us connect the HDMI cables for which the
display is being needed. There are two cables already for which the main display has to be there. Now we'll connect to this. I am going to connect the first HDMI output pin to the TV where we wanted it as a main, and I'll be connecting the second output where we want it as a second one. So this is how you can connect it. And there are two more ports where we'll be using one more output point. If possible, I'll show you the TV. Just to conclude, I have connected two systems for this bidirectional splitter and taken one output from this. And if I press 1 and 2, you can see the lights glowing up. So this output will be going into the Edson splitter, and from here we have taken two output HDMIs for the TVs we use. So now let us show you the TVs parallelly how it will be looking. Why we got the Edson splitter mainly is that we usually had only one monitor, and the second monitor was in the full screen mode. What we have planned is the other room, what is there also we have a TV installed. We wanted a parallel screen where we can see the second screen here also and the second screen over there also. So that is why the main reason we got it. So we have connected this via graphic card where the first output is to the main screen and the second output goes to the splitter, and then from splitter comes to the screen. For example, I am opening OBS where we have installed the recording setups for camera 1 and camera 2. Just for the safety issues, we wanted to see what is all the inputs which is given, so that is why this place comes in. So in OBS what we will do is, we will go to view and go to full screen multi window and we'll select Samsung. So as soon as I select Samsung, the display comes here. So same display is being copied onto the other room's TV. So we will show you the other room TV as well. So now what you are seeing is the screen which is in the other room. So for the both room, I wanted the same display to be there here and as well as there. I'll show you the videos in split screen, like this is B and what we saw on the first is A. This is the main reason for which we got this Edson splitter, and I like the product.
So friends, you must have seen the full video of Edson 1:4 HDMI splitter. Isn't it a game changer? If you want one screen to be projected onto the multiple places, you can just connect the one device input and you can take 4 output and you can view it in different places. So what do you think of this? Is it a helpful thing? Just let me know in the comment below. And if you want to see more of tech reviews and unboxings, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you will never miss an update. Also let us know in the comment section below whether this video was helpful to you.